Hello YouTube! So today we're going to look at conditionals. I'm going to break this video up. So there's conditionals, the zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. But to make it easier for you, para que lo entendéis mejor, we're going to look at the zero conditional and first conditional today, and then another time we're going to look at the second and third conditional. Okay, how do we use the conditionals? So the zero conditional is basically, I put it up here, when it's going to happen, sí o sí, cuando va a pasar sí o sí. You know, si el agua, let's use that example, yeah. Si el agua se pasa de 0 grados a -1, se congela, sí o sí. You know, it's like scientific facts or things that are definitely going to happen. So, if plus the present simple, water goes with es because we're using water, third person. It goes, if water goes below 0 degrees, comma, present simple in the end, it freezes, se congela. Okay? So it's going to happen, sí o sí va a pasar, if present simple and then present simple again. Yeah, understand? Should be quite simple. Then the first conditional is 80% going to happen. I look at it in the percentages, it's easier for me to remember, plus the grammar structure. So if and the present simple, then will and the infinitive. So what would happen if, I've got one, if I, present simple, study, comma, I will pass the exam. So it's not guaranteed. You could study, you could do really well, but then the day of the exam you're really nervous, te bloqueas y no apruebas el examen. But you're more than likely to pass if you study. Yeah. So that's why it's only 80%, not 100%. If I study, I will pass the exam. The percentage is more of a guide. It's not always true, you know. But that's how I look at it, and then with the grammar structure it helps. Another thing with the comma, okay? If and the comma. So if the sentence starts with an if there is an if, you have to put a comma in the middle. Yes? If there isn't an if. So if there's if, we put a comma. If there's an if in the middle of the sentence, you don't need a comma. So if you switch the sentence the opposite way, I will pass the exam. I will pass the exam if I study. Does that make sense? I hope you guys understand that. So I will pass the exam if I study. Because there's an if in the middle, you don't have to put a comma. So if there's if in the middle, no comma. If the if is at the beginning, you need a comma. I hope you understand, guys. See you next time with the second and third conditional. Goodbye, guys.